Number 10.
Oh, he's got under that cutting. That's big. That's big. That's flicked his wrist like MS Dhoni. Flick 6. Watch this.
And number 9.
Oh my goodness, that's all of it for me. Look at that.
And number 8. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Dhoni this time. My goodness.
And number 7.
Oh, there's absolutely right. He gave it a big heave-ho helicopter.
And number 6. MSD.
Dhoni is the goal. He's hit it in the air. Peter trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
There you go. That'll do. Not sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.
Number 5.
15 wickets. It's shots. It's a magic. Ball one in the slot. Look at that. The pose.
And number 4. MS Dhoni. And number 3.
So wickets. Oh, it's gone high. You are running around. Did Wigan? No. Well, I think duck waddle scoop or what? What's it?
I don't know. You guys are...
And number 2. MS Dhoni.
Dhoni this time. My goodness.
Number 1. Please comment your favorite helicopter shot.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and comment. Also subscribe our channel for more cricket videos.